Hello everyone. Let's practice the use of present forms of be, which are is, am, and are in different contexts. To do that, I will tell you a story. The title of the story is The Mysterious Visitor. Please pay attention whenever you notice a sentence in which I have used the present forms of be in positive or negative sentences or in question form. So let's start. Hiba is a curious young girl living in a small town. She is always eager to explore the woods near her house. Today, she is excited about her adventure. She packs a small bag with snacks and a flashlight, ready for her exploration. As Hiba walks deeper into the woods, she notices strange sounds. The birds aren't chirping, and the usual rustling of leaves isn't there. She starts to feel a little uneasy. Something doesn't seem right. Her usual excitement isn't there anymore. She isn't sure if she should continue or turn back. Deciding to investigate, Hiba cautiously moves forward. She comes across an old, abandoned cabin. The door is slightly open. She hesitates, her heart pounding. Is someone inside? Should she enter? Fearful yet curious, she peers inside, trying to discern any movement or sound. To her relief, the cabin appears empty. Hiba explores cautiously, her curiosity overcoming her fear. She finds old furniture covered in dust and spider webs. The place is eerie but fascinating. She is intrigued by the mystery surrounding the cabin and its history. Suddenly, a floorboard creaks behind her. Hiba freezes, her heart racing. She isn't alone. Panic sets in as she tries to figure out who or what is there with her. She isn't sure if she should hide or call for help. Who's there? She calls out, her voice trembling. Is it animal or another person? Silence follows her question. She isn't sure if she imagined the noise or if someone is deliberately staying quiet. With a mixture of apprehension and bravery, Heba cautiously moves toward the source of the sound. As she approaches, she sees a cat, its eyes gleaming in the dim light. It isn't an intruder but a stray cat that must have found shelter in the abandoned cabin. Relieved, Hiba smiles. She isn't alone, and she has made a new furry friend. She decides to leave some food and water for the cat before heading back home. The adventure in the woods, with its mix of positive excitement, negative uncertainty, and interrogative movement of suspense, has left Hiba with a thrilling story to tell her friends and family. Now mark all those sentences where I have used is, am, and are in positive sentences, negative sentences, and in questions. Did you like the story? What is your feedback for me? Please leave it in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again with another lesson or another story soon. Until then, bye bye.